Good morning, friends. This is Dave from Advanced Camping in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and it is Vandemonium here. We have a huge selection of in-stock van campers from the best companies in the industry, Winnebago, Pleasureway, and Road Trek, all in one store. So come visit us, take a look at our website, hit subscribe if you like this video, because we do van camper tours all the time. Today I want to show you this new 2023 Winnebago Travato, and what makes this really special is this is our first 2023 on a 2023 Ram chassis. A lot of times the chassis lags, so up until this point it had been 23 Winnebagos on 22 Ram chassis. This one is a pure 2023, and as a result, how do you know it's a 23? If you look at the front end, it has been completely redesigned. New headlights, new grille, new bumper. It also has some additional features that the previous model didn't have. So you'll find this thing has like cameras everywhere integrated into the mirrors. It also has aluminum wheels, a different, definitely different look aluminum wheel with like a black back aluminum wheel. And it also has a feature that I love. It has a remote starter, so it'll run for actually 15 minutes. We were testing it. So if you're traveling with a pet, you want to run into a convenience store, you know, run in, get a sandwich, whatever. You can keep your AC or your heat on, use the remote start, and keep your pet inside very comfortable. And if someone were to, you know, smash the window or something, the van will turn off when you try to get into it without the key. So really safe and yet very convenient for travel with a pet, which I think is great. Obviously, you still have, with the Travato, you can either get the lithium version or this one has the Onan generator. You can still run the Onan generator and the rooftop AC for as long as you want, or as long as you have fuel. But this just gives you a quick, convenient, easy way to kind of keep everything cool and comfortable using just the engine. So I really like that feature. And this one is in the polar white, which I love this color. You don't see it often. I like it with this blackout paint by the windows, and very practical, super cool, much cooler actually if you're camping in the summer or in the desert or where it's hot. This white color, not only does it look cleaner after you get a little road spray on it, but it's actually dramatically cooler to camp in. So I do enjoy that about the white, and it's very, very practical and good looking. So let's do a little walk around here. You've got a Carefree power awning, and this has the upgraded switch package, which you'll see right inside the door here. And it also has a roll-off screen, so this can roll down, and then you can easily get in and out of the van through this magnetic entryway. And it has, as we go back, you're going to have additional, so it's got solar on the roof, standard, but you can hook up some additional panels if you were, say, going to quartzsite, going to just hang out for a couple weeks. You can lay out your suitcase panels on the ground and have additional solar capabilities plugging in right here. There's also some 110 outlets for regular, blender, outside camp lights. You've got TV hookup and a 12-volt outlet out here, which is very nice. And this one has the optional ladder and roof rack, which is great if you're bringing along, kayaks or a little storage pod, or maybe you just want to get up there and see, if a branch, some limbs might have fallen overnight, some leaves, you want to see what's up there. That ladder is really convenient. In the back, it has the tow hitch, and for 2023, this is actually the Ram tow hitch. So, a little bit stronger, I think, than the previous aftermarket hitches they were using. Which is a great thing that they're upgrading for 2023. On this side, you'll notice it's a very clean look. Again, I love that white with the black. I think it's very, very classy. You also have a security light up top for your off-door side or your your hookup side of the campsite. You can see this one has the power cord hooked in right now. It's a 30 amp 120 power cord. Winnebago does incorporate their own running boards, which I think are it gives you a healthy step to step into, making it easy to get in and out of the van. And then you've got your propane on, off, and fill down here, your sewer hose storage right here. And then in the back is actually where you have your sewer discharge and your generator exhaust pipe. Now, these new generators are super quiet, so a lot of people will embrace the new quietness. Everybody has had a generator in the past, and it has been loud and noisy. They are dramatically quieter now in this latest generation. So let's step inside and take a look. As is very trendy in the van camper world right now, people are using these vans in a variety of different ways. So some people are working from the road, some people are just traveling, you know, a whole different skew of buyers than what used to be in the van camper market. So Winnebago, for this K, has developed this table system, which actually will raise and lower. So if you're seated there, you might lower it, but you could also use this as a stand-up desk, additional countertop if you're prepping things in the kitchen. It's very flexible, and as you can see, it articulates out of the way really easily, and it's very lightweight. It's like a composite material. It will also go in this coupling right over here, so you can use it in this bed space, or if you're going to use this as a lounge or comfortable seating space, you can use the table over there as well. And it does come with a smart TV with HDMI hookups, so some people will link their computer to this screen, again, using it for work or a variety of other tasks. And then it does include a sound bar, and you have a Power Max air fan with built-in hood. It has the NDQ Coleman quieter air conditioner. It also has LED lighting throughout, and what I really like are these little reading lights. You can make these a reading light, or you can make them a night light, which I think is really useful. It's a useful, to just have one fixture and two different ways to use it. In addition, you'll find these baskets, one on each side. You can put your glasses, your phone, maybe a small book can go in there. And then at night, you can just flip it right up. The other thing I enjoy about the window system, well, in this model in general, the K in general has a ton of windows. As you walk in, it's very open. There's no balustry, and look at all these windows that they incorporate. So it gives you a very open feel in just a 20-foot long van camper. But the shades are built right in, which is really nice. These back windows will tip out, allowing you to leave them open, even if it's raining. And then these are the slider windows. So these get a large volume of air in very quickly, and they do each have screens. You'll also notice the kitchen is got an abundant amount of counter space, and there's a little slide out table over here that will actually flip up and create a little table space for the driver area. This one also has the ultra leather upgraded seat fabrics, and it has the convection microwave oven, and you've got a compressor refrigerator. They're also utilizing this Eco Hot, which will actually recirculate the hot water back to the water heater so that you're not wasting any of your water capacity trying to run it through the faucet to get hot. You just send it back first, then you recirculate it, turn the faucet on, it'll be instantly hot. Really, really nice feature. And they use this is like a weathered teak cabinet, which I like. I think it's very light, it's cheery, it's well done. It doesn't show any fingerprints, which I enjoy and appreciate. And then the other thing I was gonna show you here, it's got this solid surface countertop, but they've got these pull-up outlets, USB and 120, which I think is a really convenient way of doing that. And they put one over here by the passenger pedestal as well. looking towards the back, we'll see the bathroom, of course, is in the back, which is very popular. It's got a lot of storage, a lot of bathroom space, and it allows for this open feel up front here. So let's go take a peek at that. You're gonna find, let me just turn the light on. It has a light switch here. You're gonna find a built-in medicine cabinet that opens and has some storage space in there. You've got a flip down sink, which is really convenient, and a residential grade faucet. You've got this handheld shower, which can hook to the wall or you can pull off. In addition, you've got a nice size china bowl toilet, and it has a rinser sprayer for helping keep everything clean back here. You'll also notice that the toilet paper holder is built right into the door, and it has a cover, so if you do get any, if you're showering back here, you're not going to get any moisture on your toilet paper. In addition, there's a screen for these back cargo doors, so if you did want to air the entire bathroom out after showering, you could just drop the screen down, leave the doors wide open for 5 minutes, and really would evacuate all that moist air. Across from the toilet, you'll find adjustable shelves inside of a wardrobe, or you can use it as the hanging wardrobe and remove the shelves. It's got the capacity to do either. And then it's got one huge drawer down here. And look at how far that comes out. Ball bearing drawer guides, very deep. And it's a, it's a cabinet grade plywood, not a pressed wood or MDF that they're using for the drawer construction. Up top, you'll find another push vent, which I think is handy. Just helps get a little more airflow in the bathroom. And then this has two pocket doors. So these two pocket doors will come together in the middle here. They magnet together for privacy and ease of use. Now this can be slept as two twin beds, just the way you see it, or you can make it into one larger bed using these filler cushions in the middle here, and you can create one large bed. Underneath this side, it will lift up, and you actually have a lot of storage space. This storage can vary between the lithium model and the non-lithium model, but this is the non-lithium, the K version. And finally, the last thing I want to show you is up front, the new dash. This hasn't changed dramatically since 2022. Had this large 10-inch screen. However, for 23, they have a bird's eye view for the backup camera, which I think is really great. So you can see around the entire van. There's a lot more options, a few more safety features that are integrated into the 23. And then of course this has the 9-speed transmission, front wheel drive, and really great fuel mileage with the new 9-speed transmission. So thank you for watching Advanced Camping and RV's first look at this 2023 Winnebago Travato. If you have questions on this model or others, please visit advancedcamping.com or give us a call today.